Then the question number 1. Discuss and match the professional involved in the construction with the work they do. Here is given the 7 professionals, and B side given their works. So we have to match the pairs. Architect does the plan and design the structure, means option number D. Engineer ensure the structure will be strong and stable. Building a contractor building a contractor supervise construction, employ workers, professionals, etc. Carpenter make the wooden framework of door, window, etc. Mason builds a wall, roof, etc. and plaster. Tyler does the flooring. Interior decorator does the inside of the home. So these are the pairs. So let's see next question. The word can broken up into units of the pronunciation, each having a one vowel sound. With or without consonant sound around it. Each such a unit is called as a syllable. So you have to write the such a syllables. Any 5. So I have given here the example of the syllables. Ramesh, Sunil, Sunil, Harika, Harika, Prachi, Sachin. You may write this answer by pausing this video. And if you like this video, you can subscribe my channels and also share this video as you can. You will get the update about my new videos when you subscribe my channels. Thanks for watching.